Okay, now that we have this open, you can see what came with it. There's a cable here. You have the lock, which the bar will connect to. You got a tug strap to attach it to your bike. It has a rubber backing on it so it will stay firm and not scratch your bike. Your little goofy keys, 3mm wrench to tighten it down, and an instruction booklet. So let's get started installing this on a bike. Okay, so the installation of my Kryptolock lock is going to go on my Rad wagon, my electric bike. I'm going to place it here. The first thing you're going to want to do is make sure the area is clean. You can use a degreaser, just like window cleaner, just as long as it's really clean. Find a good position where it's not going to interfere with your pedal stroke when you're riding your bike. Get the bracket there, wrap it around. You're going to want to trim it back from the bracket about 1/4 of an inch right here, and then you'll attach it. Maybe a little more. You can always cut more, you can't cut less, so be careful during this step. Okay, that looks good right there. Boop, boop. Okay, once you're ready, get it in position and the camera in position. Slide the strap through. Pull it tight. Get in position. While it's in position, holding the strap tight, put the bracket on and tighten it with the 3mm wrench that was included with your lock. Make sure you don't lose the Allen wrench that comes with it. It's 3mm if you do lose it. Tighten it on there until it's snug. Once you have the bracket in place and you've adjusted the bracket on your lock, drop it into place, it clicks, it's mounted, you're ready for the final step of cutting away the excess strap. Final step, cut away the excess strap. Just cut it away. The frayed ends can be taken care of by not pulling on it, number one. Just using a lighter or a hairdryer may be able to do it. Just nice with the torch. And it's done. You may have noticed when I mounted the bracket, it isn't straight with mine, with the frame. It's at an angle. That is because these locks are adjustable. Use the Allen wrench, loosen that. So this mounting bracket is flexible. So when it goes in, I can then get in a position and get it tightened to where I want it. That way it doesn't interfere with me riding the bike or when my kids are on the back. It's straight and in line with the bike, but it's offset, but still frame mounted. Now the installation is complete. Put it on, you're ready to go. The whole installation really takes less than 10 minutes, 5 to 10 minutes, really easy. The lock comes with a large cable. On a traditional bike, I have no clue how you would haul this. I don't know, maybe you could get it to fit in there, but on an e-bike, it's so big and spacious inside that we can just place it right there, and then I always have the cable with me out of the way. And that concludes the very easy installation of a Kryptonite Kryptolock lock on a Rad Power bike. Hope you liked the video. If you did, please hit the like button and subscribe and check back for future videos. Thanks for watching.